Introducing the next game changer in pulsation control. Performance Pulsation Control is proud to release our Reactive Fluid System, or RFS. So what exactly is the RFS? Simply put, the Reactive Fluid System is a maintenance-free alternative to traditional gas-charged dampeners on the market today. The RFS utilizes a diaphragm filled with PPC's proprietary reactive fluid that does not require any form of gas charging. The reactive fluid that is used is non-toxic, non-flammable, completely inert, and completely safe. So how does the RFS perform? Well, the reactive fluid system has been proven to operate well over 6 months in continuous drilling operations where typical gas-charged diaphragms would have to be replaced. The decreased amount of internal pressure on the diaphragm allows for less operational stress, resulting in longer diaphragm life. Our field testing of the RFS proved that it provides excellent pulsation control across all operating pressure ranges and outperformed other maintenance-free options on the market. So where is the RFS applicable? The RFS is applicable for any drilling-style pulsation dampener that is able to accept a standard diaphragm. One of the most common applications is on mud pumps for drilling operations. The RFS can be easily installed into any pulsation dampener that can accept a standard diaphragm. The most common unit is one of the 20-gallon dampeners. Our customers wanted a better alternative to the gas charge units used in the industry today. They asked and we answered. The RFS is the safest, easiest, and best maintenance-free option for these dampeners on the market. Eliminate gas charging, save time, and save money. Choose Performance Pulsation Control's Reactive Fluid System.